couldn't shoot the sky, city slicker.
Daddy, can I too?
A mounted greenhorn like you ought to try that again. Put the gun in the holster. Now get ready.
Gotta hurry.
Talk! Hide the women and children. Cockeyed got a gun. I've been looking for your beady eyes. I'm Johnny Rio, the baddest, toughest, and if it weren't for you, the ugliest hombre around. So put the gun in the holster, and when I say draw, draw. Talk!
Gotcha.
Nice shooting, you darn near killed the door. A mounted greenhorn like you ought to try that again. Put the gun in the holster. Now get ready. Talk!
Gotcha.
I'll bet you couldn't shoot the sky, city slicker. You'd better try that again, you ornery little rascal. Put the gun back in the holster. Now get ready. Talk! Hide the women and children. Cockeyed got a gun. Try again, you cross-eyed prairie gopher. Put the gun in the holster. Now get ready. Talk! You missed. You'd better loosen up. You're stiff as a dead man. Okay. Place the gun back in the holster and start reaching for your money, you possum-bellied coward. Hey, you. Yeah, you, Sidewinder. Do you think you got a keen eye and a steady hand, huh? Well, I'm Johnny Rio, and I'm going to give you a one-way